Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start while Google TV stays on the connected network. First, open Settings Network on the Google TV and note the SSID and the router's IP address. Meanwhile, grab an Android phone signed into the same Google account or prepare your router username/password. You'll need one of these to reveal the actual password. Once you've confirmed the SSID and obtained the router IP, make sure both devices are on the same local network so you can proceed without interruptions. Now find the password. On an Android phone that has the Wi-Fi saved, go to Settings Network and Internet Wi-Fi Saved Networks, tap the SSID and choose Share. You'll see a QR and the plain text password beneath it. Scan or read it. If you can't use a phone, open a browser, enter the router IP you saved, log into the admin interface, and navigate to Wireless or Security Settings. There you can view or reset the Wi-Fi password, and optionally generate a QR to share. Finally, enter the discovered password on Google TV by selecting Settings Network the SSID change or Add Network, then type the password and confirm. If connection fails, reboot the router, double-check you copied the exact characters, case matters, and confirm the TV isn't using a cached IP or MAC filter. If you still can't connect, switch the phone to a hotspot to reach router admin, reset the router credentials, or contact your ISP for account login help. Those steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.